Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 73-79 Newell Street. This is Unit 77, located in West Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a freshly updated, renovated, ground level, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. And we're going to begin our walkthrough here right in the kitchen space. So right away you'll notice the kitchen houses a gorgeous new tile flooring throughout. Of course, the entire unit does house a fresh coat of paint. And the bedroom and living area both house a brand new laminate wood flooring. But back to the kitchen itself, lots of cabinets tucked in the corner over here, so plenty of kitchen storage. Got a little bit of countertop space as well, a couple of outlets for kitchen plugins. The appliances in this kitchen include the large size refrigerator in the corner. You have the glass top, stainless steel stove and oven, and next to that is your single bin stainless steel sink. So that's the appliances in here. One other thing to note with this kitchen, you actually have a private rear entryway to your unit housed in the kitchen. So that's always a nice touch, is a private entryway. That's essentially it with the kitchen. Next, we'll be looking at what is considered your living area. Of course, you can use it in a multitude of ways, maybe a dining room, what have you. But as you can see, gorgeous new flooring in here. Fresh paint once again. You have another entryway. This is the front shared entryway that you have. So 2 different entryways to the unit. And overall, just a wide open space for, plenty of customization with furniture. You just got a nice open layout, so use it as you wish. So that's essentially the living area. Next, let's check out the bedroom. So again, bedroom, same exact flooring you saw in the living space. Again, fresh paint throughout. Recommended bed size, I would do a standard to full, maybe full Excel bed set. I really wouldn't go any larger. A queen would be probably a little bit of a tight fit in this unit. So again, standard full Excel is perfect. You do have your own closet space in here too, so a little bit of bedroom storage is available to you. Nice. And last but not least is the bathroom. So bathroom houses, again, gorgeous tile flooring. You got a full tub and shower located at the end of the bathroom. And over to the left side, a new sink setup. A couple of cabinets underneath, wide open mirror up above. And you actually got this small mirror vanity off to the side. And an additional closet in the corner. Awesome. So once again, this is 73-79 Newell Street, Unit 77 in West Warwick, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located on that website as well. Thank you very much.